A few of my volleyball teammates are coming over today for a grill out and a pickup game, and they are gonna go crazy over my miso caramel cracker cookies. They're chewy and crunchy and salty and sweet. They are perfect for tailgating. I'm gonna start by melting some caramel in my pan. And to help soften it, I'm gonna also add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. I'm just gonna let these melt and I'm gonna stir it around to get the heavy cream incorporated, and the heavy cream just softens the caramel a little bit. This smells delicious. My caramel is smooth and melted. I'm gonna add my miso paste now. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons. A little bit goes a long way, and this is gonna add umami, which I like to think of as like 3-dimensional saltiness. It's so good. If you don't want to go out and get miso paste, you can certainly just add a few good pinches of salt to this caramel. But I love the little something extra that miso adds. Oh gosh, it smells so good. I'm really excited to eat these. All right, I'm going to set the caramel aside to cool slightly, and that'll help me form the sandwiches. So I'll pour it into my bowl. I have my pan lined with parchment, and the parchment is just to help prevent the caramel from sticking. And now I'll grab my crackers. And these treats are the best because they are no bake. They come together so easily. Now I'm gonna arrange my crackers all over my pan. And these salty crackers drive home that salty and sweet combination that I love so much. I am making 6 rows of 6. 36. Okay, now each of these is gonna get a dollop of caramel. I'm using my teaspoon, which will be the perfect amount. I wanna add the most amount of caramel without it going over the edge. And then I'm gonna top it with a cracker. You are gonna be so tasty. Now I'm gonna melt my chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate here so that it's not overly sweet with the caramel, but you can pretty much use any chocolate that you want. And I'm gonna melt it in a double boiler, which is just a bowl set over a pot of boiling water. And I'm gonna stir it as it melts so that it's nice and smooth. This is melted and looking good. So I'm gonna remove it from the heat, and then I'll be ready to dip my cookies into it. I'm gonna dunk each of these halfway into the chocolate and then scrape off any excess and give them a few sprinkles. These are so simple and so good. These cracker cookies are dangerous to have around though, so I'm glad that I have friends coming over to help me eat them. Otherwise, I'll just eat this whole pan. Look how cute it is. Okay, I kind of want to taste this. My friends are gonna dig these.